Hey traders, in this video, you'll learn the simplest day trading strategy for beginners. You literally don't need any experience to be profitable. And it's the strategy I wish I had known when I first started out, because it uses concepts that professional traders use, but it's simplified so much that anyone can do it. I will show you 2 long trade setups and 2 short trade setups, so you're ready to take some trades on your own. Make sure to stick around for the entire video, because I'm going to test this strategy on 100 trades and share the results with you. Without further more ado, let's get right into it. First, head over to TradingView and open up your favorite asset. I'll use the Euro USD. This strategy works on all time frames, but in this video, I'll be using the 5-minute time frame. We'll need 2 indicators for this strategy. The first one is the RSI kernel optimized indicator by Flux Charts. This indicator is a specialized tool for traders that optimizes the traditional relative strength index, or RSI, using a kernel density estimation method. It provides potential pivot points in the market by calculating probabilities of price movements based on historical RSI pivots. The indicator will display a percentage with arrows near the candles, showing the probability of bullish or bearish movements. The second indicator is called support and resistance, MTF, and it's also by Flux Charts. This indicator automatically detects support and resistance levels on up to 3 time frames at once. You can also turn these levels into zones with the click of a button. I'll leave links to both of the indicators in the description for easy access. Now that we have the indicators added on our charts, let's customize them a little bit, so we're ready to take trades with this strategy. Go into the settings of the support and resistance indicator and change the pivot range to 5 and enable zones. You can also enable another time frame for the support and resistance zones, but for this video I will only use the zones displayed on my chart's time frame. If you want to learn more about these 2 indicators, I'll leave links in the description for videos that explain them and show all their features. Now that the indicators are set up properly, let me show you some bullish or long trade examples. When looking for long trade setups, we want to watch how price reacts at our support zones. Wait for price to come down to a support zone and then retest the zone. You'll know there was a retest if the indicator plots a green label with an R. After a retest, wait for the RSI kernel optimized indicator to print a bullish green arrow. This will be your sign to enter a long position. Set your stop loss slightly below the support zone and take a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. The strategy is really that simple. Here's another example. Price comes down to our 5-minute support zone and retests it. Shortly after, we get a bullish signal from our RSI KDE indicator. We can take a long position after this, setting our stop loss slightly below the support zone and taking a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. For bearish or short trade setups, we'll look for opposite criteria. Wait for price to come up to a resistance zone and retest the zone. You'll know there was a retest if the indicator plots a red label with an R. After the retest, wait for the RSI indicator to display a bearish red arrow. This will be your sign to enter a short position. Set your stop loss slightly above the resistance zone and take a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. Let me show you one more bearish example before I backtest the strategy on 100 trades and share the results. Here, price approaches our resistance zone and retests it, giving us a red R label. Shortly after, we get a bearish signal from the RSI indicator. We can set our stop loss above the resistance zone and take a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. That's how simple this strategy is. Now, I will backtest this strategy on 100 trades and share the results with you guys. I will speed this part up and I'll see you guys in a minute. After testing this strategy out on 100 trades on the Euro USD pair, I got some very promising results for the 5-minute time frame. There were 42 winning trades and 58 losing trades for a win rate of 42%. Although this might seem low, you have to remember that the risk to reward for this strategy is 1 to 2. This means you only need a 33% win rate to break even with the strategy. The maximum number of trades won in a row was 6, and the maximum number of losing trades in a row was 8. In conclusion, this strategy is very powerful, and if you implement strict risk management and follow all the rules, this could definitely be profitable. If you have any suggestions to improve this strategy or have questions, please leave a comment below. Also, make sure you join our Discord where we discuss trade ideas, share powerful indicators, and live stream our trading every single day. That's all for today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.